The jungle swallowed everything that stayed too long. Temples, roads, entire villages had disappeared under vines and trees. So when satellite scans discovered stone ruins deep in the rainforest, the discovery shocked everyone. No maps showed a temple in that region. A small exploration team was sent to investigate. After days of hacking through dense jungle, the team finally reached the location. Massive stone walls stood hidden beneath layers of vines and roots. The structure was ancient, but something strange surrounded it. Metal antennas and broken equipment lay scattered around the entrance. Someone had been there recently. Dr. Marcus Hale studied the ruins carefully. The stone carvings looked thousands of years old, but the electronic equipment was modern. A research group had clearly tried to study the site. The team stepped inside the temple corridor. The air instantly felt colder, and the jungle outside went completely silent. No birds, no insects, just darkness. The team's flashlights illuminated walls covered in thick vines, but the vines looked different. They pulsed faintly with green light. Dr. Hale noticed strange metal containers near the walls, biological research equipment. Somebody had been conducting experiments inside the ruin. Then a low sound echoed through the corridor. Footsteps. A black panther slowly walked out of the shadows. The animal stared directly at the explorers. At first it looked normal, just a powerful jungle predator protecting its territory. But something was wrong. Green vines were growing along the panther's back, not attached, growing. The team stepped backward carefully. Then the vines started moving. They wrapped around the panther's body like armor plates. Thick roots spread across its legs and shoulders. The creature's eyes glowed bright green. The jungle itself began reacting. Vines along the temple walls started stretching across the floor. Roots pushed through the stone cracks. The panther had become something else. The creature stepped forward slowly, and every plant inside the temple moved with it. One of the explorers tried to run. Vines shot across the floor and wrapped around his leg instantly. The jungle was alive. The panther growled softly. The sound echoed through the temple like a warning. Dr. Hale realized the truth. The research group had been experimenting with plant-based biological energy. It was trying to merge animals with the jungle ecosystem. But the experiment had escaped their control. The panther wasn't just infected. It had become the center of a living network. The vines inside the temple connected directly to the creature. It was controlling the entire jungle ruin. The Verdant Stalker stepped closer. Stone pillars cracked as giant roots forced their way through the temple floor. Outside, massive trees began shifting slowly toward the ruin. The jungle was expanding its territory. Explorers tried contacting their helicopter team, but the radio signal had disappeared. Even the air above the temple seemed controlled by the vines. The creature climbed onto a stone platform in the center of the ruin. Ancient carvings beneath its feet began glowing with green light. The energy flowed through the vines and into the panther's body. The creature had grown stronger. The temple was feeding it. Then something even stranger happened. Deep beneath the ruins, the ground started shaking. The ancient temple had hidden chambers below, and the energy spreading through the jungle had reached something buried deep underground. The Verdant Stalker turned its glowing eyes toward the temple floor. The vines suddenly tightened across the ruins, whatever was waking below the temple. Even the jungle guardians seemed cautious. The ground cracked open, and a deep green light started rising from the darkness beneath the ruin. The jungle had more than one secret. The experiment had just awakened all of them.